Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see if you like one of the song and you don't want listen the lyrics, you just like the music, so you can split the music one side and voice or vocal different side. One of the platform are providing these services absolutely free. Which one is this? We will see detailed demonstration on my Mac screen, so let's check it out. So first of all, I will show you one of the song. So in this particular song, some voice is also coming and music is also coming. So I want split. Voice is one file and music is one file. It's very simple. After that, open the Google and type here vocal remover, enter. Even I already added this link in video description. This is vocal remover isolation AI. Click here, and after that, this is the platform. Now they are introducing new updated version like vocalremover.org. Simply choose your file. So I already show it to you. My files is like demo mp3. If I select here, it's very easy to export, and audio pre-processing is going on. Artificial intelligence algorithm now works. It may take minute. Please keep this page open. After that, you should open work other website accessing, gathering information. Meanwhile, this page is working continuously. Almost is done. After that, we are receiving very easily two voices. So look at this here, voice and music and vocal is divided. If I play here, so now this is a music only and vocal is off. And if I add here voice, off, on, off, on. You can down the vocal voice as well in this one. Now we can download. If click here, save. So look at this here, demo. If I open here, this is the just only music. I just simply open via VLC player. That one is really amazing. If I remove the music and just simply download the vocals, if I download this one, so look at this here, vocal and music is downloaded as a demo vocal, demo music. I just simply open here in the VLC player as usual. No music is coming, just we receive the vocals only. That is the beauty of the vocal remover platform. It's really amazing, absolutely free. If you like some of the song, just only lyrics or vocal, or you want pre-process something related on your research, so this website is amazing as my personal recommendation. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.